Chicken mushroom with pumpkin. Yummy, yummy. Chicken mushroom with pumpkin. Yummy, yummy. Hello everyone. Welcome to TP channel. Today I will make pumpkin with chicken and mushroom. Let's go watching my video. Ginger, garlic, chicken, soya sauce, chili powder, brown sugar, tasty powder, MSG, no MSG, no life, cornstarch and water. Mushroom, pumpkin, almost done. Wow, looks so yummy. It's done. Yummy, yummy. Wow, chicken mushroom with pumpkin looks so yummy. Thank you everyone for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.